Welcome back. It's a me, Uhfgood. And now we're screwing about with nav meshes. Uh, okay. There's one thing I forgot to do the last time. You have to forgive me here for a second. So my big head in the way is probably a good idea. So let's actually write the description of the last one, which was for you. It was yesterday, which was created the saucer for the cup of coffee. There, that's in my description. Now, okay, so, and actually this one, I don't know. I'll have to actually get to the video first. Okay, so I had two videos. I actually split them up. I guess because I did them at different times. So we'll open this first one up, and this has to do with the nav mesh. Playback speed faster 8 times. So what do we have here? We have, let's bump it up a little bit. Okay, so basically, a guy in the Armory Discord, and I don't know his name, but he uses the anyways, so yeah, let me shrink my head down, of course, because I just messed that up a little bit. So anyways, he goes by Ent. I don't know what that is. But that's his name on the Discord server. So basically, he took the Navmesh example and made it work properly. Pardon me. About ready to sneeze. So this is basically their Navmesh here. This Viz part here. Let's expand this out. This Viz part is basically the nav mesh itself. I think this white part here, and then the blue part is actually the regular terrain that the characters walk on here. So I don't know if I played it here. Yeah, but if you notice here, it works, at least to a point. It has some problems up in here, and it just basically shows me that the Armory 3D isn't really ready for prime time exactly. I mean, you can make games in it. Some people are able to make games in it, or are working, and I could certainly write my own navigation stuff, but it's gonna take a while. And not that that's a big deal, I guess, because I was planning on doing this on the long haul, anyways, the long term. But I don't know. I think most people want to see progress, and in fact, that's the biggest problem with my videos. They're not really showing much progress. I know I've done a little bit, but not a lot. So people are kind of bored with that, which is why, even though I'm still going to upload my development, and there's still devlogs. In fact, instead of being silent too, like these big desktop deals are, I'll probably be doing some talking, but I'm not going to be obligated to talk the whole time. I'm just going to develop, and if I need to say something, I'll say something. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and speed this guy up. Oop. And let's go ahead and playback speed faster. Okay, so this is my attempt at creating my own nav mesh. And basically what I did is I just created these objects here, and then I tried to generate nav mesh, and it didn't do it. So the next thing that I did was I tried to link these, and then I did a Boolean operation, and as you can see there, it actually, here, let's go back a little bit. Let's see here. As you can see here, it actually did work. Actually, that seemed to work the best there. That's interesting enough. One thing that I noticed though is that if the plane or the thing that you're doing it on isn't big enough, uh, the it doesn't even acknowledge the obstacles there. So it's got to the plane's got to be big enough. The obstacles have got to be big enough. Otherwise, it doesn't work. And so that's another reason why I'm considering maybe not. Okay, let's bump it up here. See, that was my old thing, trying to regenerate the Navmesh here. And so I'm trying to redo a new deal, and it's not working, and still wasn't working. So yeah, so I created a new one. All right, and actually, now see that one. Here, let's go back here. That one actually worked more because I used for one thing, I used a plane, and then I subdivided, and then I extruded those pillars, those obstacles there. I think that worked because that was all one object. So it doesn't matter that these. I could probably have made these columns tinier with more subdivisions, and because the whole thing was big, it probably would have worked. So the sizes would have worked. It's just on regular open objects, it doesn't do that somehow. And also somehow that the objects and the plane or the ground has got to be like one thing. So anyway, so you can see how this actually does work here. And of course, I tried to run it. Did I try to run it here? I think I did. Not sure. I was trying to figure out how to disable that. Okay, so maybe I didn't actually. Okay. Right, and then that's pretty much been the same there. Now, so yeah. So I was actually fairly successful with the Navmesh at that point. Okay, let's actually see. Limited success creating a test Navmesh. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so the next one, of course, is the is going to be the number 2 saucer. Your next video tomorrow. But so yeah, so I've been struggling with this Navmesh thing for a while now. I think I'm gonna have to end up going back to Unity and just saying forget about it and just just doing Unity. In fact, I actually nobody said anything to me here. I actually was in IRC and I had a question. Nobody's going to answer my question here, though. Let's actually go to the Unity Discord and general Unity discussion. Anyways, I'm not going to ask that. Anyways, so yeah. So thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video, in which we'll continue working on the saucer, basically. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.